Getting friendly with your clients, making social media work for you. No other advertising option offers the possibilities and freedoms of social media marketing. Your customization choices are only limited by the technology of the time, and you should always keep ahead of the curve. This article will focus on how to build a unique marketing plan that helps you stand out from the competition and create a name within your niche. Link your social media blog to Facebook for marketing success. Make it simple for fans of your blog to share posts with their friends. Include a share button at the top of your posts and a like button at the top of your page. This will bring interest and traffic to your blog without additional work. Link your social media blog to email. In some circles, this may be considered old hat, but there is still plenty of market to be tapped via email. You can simply add a subscribe via email link to your page that will allow fans to get on your mailing list. Get more people subscribing to your social media blog. Add buttons that will allow people to interact with your site by being updated of your new posts. People like to share things they appreciate with all of their contacts. Good buttons would be those for Facebook, Twitter, RSS, email, and LinkedIn. Sharing content across social media sites is a great way to promote your product and also allows you to gather important information about customer preferences. This is what makes social media marketing an especially appealing way to enhance your business. Don't pass up the opportunity to connect with potential buyers that Facebook, Twitter, and the other social media sites present. An important thing to remember about social media marketing is that you want to create content that people will want to share with others. So be sure to create content that is informative and interesting. This will catch the attention of people and will want to make them pass it on to their friends. Research your competitors' social media marketing methods. This can be a great way to see what kind of methods work well, and you can also get ideas about what you don't want to do. Don't imitate them. Use what you learn to put your own unique twist on social media marketing. Write the kind of content that can be shared. Learn to write in an engaging way that makes people want to share your writing with their friends and contacts. This is the most important thing you can do with social media. If you want to reach more people, you need to be worthy of it. Outstanding content is crucial. It is important that the consumers spot your differences from older competition, or they will often go with the more established name. You can stand out from the rest by putting your own personal touches on the tips and techniques listed in the paragraphs above. If you follow those tips and your product supports your claims, it will help build a company you can be proud of. Check out our full training shortcut Your Way to Profits and get faster results with this social marketing school. Click on this video's description link to get instant access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel.